Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is fundamental rights. So there are some basic rights that are very well known as fundamental to human existence and crucial for human expansion. In the absence of fundamental rights, a man's existence would be worthless. So the political institution role and responsibility mainly emphasized on empowering the people, especially the minorities, to live in dignity with rights of equality, dignity, and religious freedom. So fundamental rights have been classified into six categories that are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right to cultural and educational remedies, and right to constitutional remedy. Something about fundamental rights. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. This right includes the equality before the law, which implies the prohibition of discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, color, or sex, equal protection of the law, equal opportunity in public employment, and abolition of untouchability and titles. It also states that every citizen shall have equal access to all public places. To provide equal opportunities, there will be no reservation in government service except in the case of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward class, and for war widows and physically handicapped person. The right was made to abolish untouchability, which was practiced in India for decades. Right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. This right includes the right to freedom of speech, freedom of expression, and freedom to form unions and association. It also includes freedom to travel anywhere in India, freedom to live in any part of India, and freedom to choose any profession in their interest. This right is also states that any citizen of India has the full right to purchase, sell, and hold property in any part of the country. According to these rights, people will have the liberty to indulge in any trade or business. This right also defines that a person cannot be convicted twice for the same offence, and it also cannot be compelled to stand as a witness against oneself. Right against exploitation, Article 23 to Article 24. This right includes the provision of any form of forced labor. Children who are below the age of 14 years are not allowed to work in mines or factories when the risk of life is involved. According to these rights, no person has the right to exploit the other person in any way. Therefore, human trafficking and begging have been made legal offences, and those found involved are to be penalized. According to these rights, slavery and traffic among women and children for dishonest purpose has been declared an offence. Payment of minimum wage against the labor is defined, and no compromise is allowed in this regard. So, right to freedom of religion, Article 25. Freedom of conscience and free profession and propagation of religion. Article 26. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27. Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28. Freedom as to attendance of religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institution. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29. Protection of interest of minorities. Article 30. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Saving of certain laws. Article 31, Clause A. Saving of laws providing for acquisition of estates, etc. Article 31, Clause B. Validation of certain acts and regulations. Article 31C. Article 31, Clause C. Saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Remedies for enforcement rights conferred by this part. This article is also known as heart and soul of the Constitution. Article 33 provides of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to forces, etc. Article 34 restriction on rights conferred by this part while marital law is enforced in any area. Article 35 legislation to give effect to the provision of this part. This is all about fundamental rights. This video is not for any kind of advertisement, promotion, etc. This is only for education purpose. And please like this video and share this video and subscribe Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.